Sentence patterns. I will go to Kyoto. Kyoto ni ikimasu. Kyoto is Kyoto. Ni is a particle indicating direction, and ikimasu means will go. I will go home by taxi. Taxi de ii ne kaerimasu. Taxi is taxi. De indicates the means of transport. Ie means home. Ni indicates direction, and kaerimasu means will return. I came to Japan with my family. Kazuko no Nihon ni ikimashita. Kazuko means family. To means with. Nihon means Japan. Ni indicates direction and kimashita means came. Where will you go tomorrow? Ashita doko ni ikimasu ka? Ashita means tomorrow. Doko means where. Ni indicates direction. Ikimasu means will go, and ka is a question marker. I will go to Nara. Nara ni ikimasu. Nara is Nara. Ni indicates direction. Ikimasu means will go. Where did you go last Sunday? Senshu no nichiyoubi doko ni ikimashita ka? Senshu means last week. No is a possessive particle. Nichiyoubi means Sunday. Doko means where. Ni indicates direction. Ikimashita means went. And ka is a question marker. I did not go anywhere. Doko ni mo ikimasen deshita. Doko ni mo means nowhere. Ikimasen deshita means did not go. How will you go to Tokyo? Do yatte Tokyo ni ikimasu ka? Do yatte means how. Tokyo means Tokyo. Ni indicates direction. Ikimasu means will go, and ka is a question marker. I will go by Shinkansen. Shinkansen de ikimasu. Shinkansen is Shinkansen, or bullet train. De indicates means, and ikimasu means will go. Who will you go to Tokyo with? Dare to Tokyo ni ikimasu ka? Dare means who. To means with. Tokyo is Tokyo. Ni indicates direction. Ikimasu means will go. And ka is a question marker. I will go with Mr. Yamada. Yamada-san to ikimasu. Yamada-san is Mr. Yamada. To means with, and ikimasu means will go. When did you come to Japan? Itsu nihon ni kimashita ka? Itsu means when. Nihon means Japan. Ni indicates direction. Kimashita means came. And ka is a question marker. I came here on March 25th. Sangatsu nichou go nichi ni kimashita. Sangatsu means March. Nijogo nichi means 25th. Ni indicates direction or time, and kimashita means came. When is your birthday? Tanjobi wa itsu desu ka? Tanjobi means birthday. Wa is a topic marker. Itsu means when. Des is a copula is are, and ka is a question marker. It is June 13th. Rokugatsu 13 nichi desu. Rokugatsu means June. 13 nichi means 13. And des is a copula is or are. Does this train go to Koshien? Excuse me, How much is it to Kushien? Sumimasen, Kushien made ikura desu ka? Sumimasen means excuse me. Kushien is Kushien. Made indicates up to. Ikura means how much. Des is a copula, is, are, and ka is a question marker. It's 350 yen. 350 yen desu. 350 yen means 350 yen. And this is a copula, is, are. 350 yen? Thank you very much. 350 yen desu ka? Domo arigatou gozaimasu. 350 yen desu ka? Means 350 yen. Domo arigatou gozaimasu means thank you very much. You're welcome. Do itashimashite. Do itashimashite means you're welcome. Excuse me, what platform is it for Kushien? Sumimasen. Kushien wa nanbansen desu ka? Sumimasen means excuse me. Kushien is Kushien. Wa is a topic marker. Nanbansen means which platform. Des is a copula, is, are, and ka is a question marker. Number 5. Gobansen desu. Gobansen means platform number 5 and des is a copula, is, are. Thanks. Arigato. Arigato means thank you. Excuse me, does this train go to Kushien? Sumimasen. Kono densha wa Kushien ni ikimasu ka? Sumimasen means excuse me. Kono densha means this train. Wa is a topic marker. Kushien is Kushien. Ni indicates direction. Ikimasu means will go, and ka is a question marker. No, it doesn't. The next local train does. Iie ikimasen. Tsugi no futsu densha ga ikimasu. Iie means no. Ikimasen means does not go. Tsugi means next. No is a possessive particle. Futsu densha means local train. Ga is a subject marker, and ikimasu means will go. Thank you very much. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Domo arigatou gozaimasu means thank you very much. Reference words and information. National holidays. Ganjatsu, New Year's Day, January 1. Seijin no Hi, Coming of Age Day, the second Monday of January. Kenkuko Kini no Hi, National Foundation Day, February 11. Shunbun no Hi, Vernal Equinox Day, around March 20. Midori no Hi, Greenery Day, April 29. Kenpo Kenenbi, Constitution Memorial Day, May 3. Kukumi no Kyujutsu, Nations Day, May 4. Kodomo no Hi, Children's Day, May 5. Omi no Hi, Marine Day, third Monday of July. Keiru no Hi, Respect for the Aged Day, third Monday of September. Shubu no Hi, Autumnal Equinox Day, around September 23. Taiko no Hi, Health and Sports Day, second Monday of October. Bonka no Hi, Culture Day, November 3. Kenro Kansha no Hi, Labor Thanksgiving Day, November 23. Tenno Tanjobi, the Emperor's birthday, December 23. Notes: Shunbo no Hi and Shubo no Hi vary from year to year. Seiji no Hi is observed on the second Monday of January. Additional information: if a national holiday falls on a Sunday, the following Monday is taken off instead. From April 29 to May 5th is a series of holidays called Golden Week. Some big companies give a whole week's holiday to employees. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Mata ne!